Have you ever wondered, where does your body get the energy to run, jump, think, and play? The answer is hiding in every bite of food you eat. Let's go on an incredible journey inside your body. First step, digestion. Your stomach and intestines are like a super blender. They break your food into tiny, tiny pieces. Carbohydrates become sugar. Fats become fatty drops. Proteins become little building blocks called amino acids. These tiny pieces travel through your blood like packages on a delivery truck, straight to your cells. And inside each cell is an amazing power station, called the mitochondria. First, sugar gets chopped in half in the blue zone, called glycolysis. This makes a little bit of energy right away. Next, those pieces spin through the orange zone, the Krebs cycle. It squeezes out even more energy and releases carbon dioxide. That's the gas you breathe out. Finally, the big energy explosion happens in the green zone. Using oxygen from the air you breathe, your cell makes tons of energy batteries called ATP. This is where most of your power comes from. ATP is your body's energy money. Every time your muscles move, your brain thinks, or your heart beats, your body spends ATP. And food keeps making more. Pretty amazing, right? Fun fact time! One tiny piece of sugar makes 36 to 38 ATP batteries. Fats actually have more than double the energy of sugar. That's why your body stores extra energy as fat. You breathe out carbon dioxide that came from your food. Mind blown. So next time you eat a meal, remember, your body is doing something incredible. Food, digestion, cells, mitochondria, ATP, energy. You are basically a walking, talking power plant. If you loved this video, hit subscribe and tell us, what's your favorite food that gives you energy? See you next time on Science Discovery Land.